Hi, welcome to my deep mulch garden. It's October 3rd. You know what we do at my house on October 3rd? We plant. Come on, let's plant. Here in Zone 7, I'm about 31 days away from my average first frost. I'm hoping that goes out a little bit further. The corn is doing okay. In 30 days, it's going to be tight whether or not we get ears off of this batch. We have other corn that we're going to definitely get ears off of. The beans, we'll definitely get some beans. Our beets, our turnips, and our spinach we'll be able to put under those plastic totes. Same thing with what we're going to plant here today. What are we going to plant today? Well, if I got cardboard, and I've got my pitchfork, and I've got a watering can, and a bag of carrot seeds that we saved. The nice thing about carrots is they go into the cold really well. And we can cover them with those plastic greenhouses. And I'll set that away from this trellis just a little bit, and that way we can mulch all the way around them. We can insulate them when it gets really cold. But I think we'll be able to have carrots all winter long. I'll show you how to plant them the easy way. Come on, let's plant. First thing you do is lay your cardboard out in the area you want to go ahead and plant in. Like I say, I'm going to leave it off of this trellis just a little bit. So this is going to be our area. And like with all deep mulch, and this is where we took those potatoes out of, so it's not really thick, but you just pull that mulch back right down the bare soil. Look how nice that soil is. You just pull that back. Take and remeasure with your cardboard. Oh yeah, we got plenty. Now I'm going to mark the edge of this. That way I know where we're at. Because I'm going to be clever. Well, I'm just going to have some fun. Because yes, we're going to plant carrots, but we're also going to put in a couple more radishes. I think we got plenty of time for these to germinate and make bulbs before it gets cold. I can put those under the mini greenhouses also. So on the edges, I'm just going to go ahead and ring these with some, I'm just going to put radishes right around the edge. And this is just because it's fun. If you've never planted anything, I suggest you get a container, put a little soil in it, and a few little radish seeds. You'll be amazed at how fast they grow. And our box of radishes with a couple volunteer tomatoes. And these are the seeds that we saved this spring. You were with me for that. And these don't look exactly like the seeds that come out of a store-bought, because I still have some trash in there. And we got so many, I don't care if some of these don't germinate. But just look in this bag that we planted. The little bag full of carrots we started. That's a really nice germination rate, and we did that exactly the same way as we're doing this. So I've got a decent amount of carrot seeds right in the center. And this is what Ruth Stout taught me. You just pat them. You don't have to put them in the ground. You don't have to do anything. You just pat them. They got soil contact just like in nature. Do the same thing with the radishes around the outside. We got good soil contact all the way around. And you can tell right there in the center where it's the lighter brown. That's where the seeds are. So then, next thing you want to do, make sure they're good and damp. Now the thing about carrots is they want to stay damp, and that's why we're using the cardboard. Now you can use a piece of pine board, you can use a burlap sack. Okay, so we've got those covered, and it won't hurt the radishes either. But I'm going to put mulch right around the edge, just in case the weather comes up. This won't blow away. And it'll also help hold that moisture in. And in 3 or 4 days, you'd be surprised, they're going to start germinating. They can take up to a couple weeks, but we've been running about 85 degrees. we should be just fine. Now the other thing I like to do is just go ahead and get the cardboard good and wet on top. And what did Forrest Gump say? Nothing goes together like peas and carrots. This little batch of peas got stunted with the heat, but they're coming back just fine. And they've definitely put on little peas. And that's definitely one of the things that almost never make it back into the house. That's why we do it, because it tastes great. You can do this too. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about the deep mulch garden, click that link right there. If you'd like to learn about winter gardening, click that link right there and I'll meet you right back in the garden. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.